His performance after your loss, what can you say?
After our loss.
Oh yeah, what can you say about your performance after your loss?
Same as today, move on to the next. So, Pinay played better than us last game. We're now focusing on UE. UE has a good program. We respect them every year. They've been improving their program, their coach IE. So we have, I think the game showed that we respected them. So we prepared very well, and we're lucky that we got what we want.
You got called Chris, you had 18.6 rebounds and plus 21. So, ano yung motivation nyo para makabawi kayo sa pagkatalo nyo sa Ateneo by winning against you? Ano yung motivation nyo para makabawi kayo sa yung call? What can you say?
I think for me, every game, ang ano lang is to win for me. And I think there's no motivation for me. Ang ano lang namin is para maglaro and manalo. And to perform kung ano yung pinag-practicean namin, execute yung mga pinaghirapan namin.
Camille, you had 9.3 rebounds. So, after 2 games in the UAP, what can you say with your performance and moving forward, what do you need to improve your game here?
Syempre po, I'm still not satisfied with the way I'm playing. So, I know po na I still have a lot of things to improve on. And ayun po, happy lang po na little by little I'm getting my confidence and back and nakaka-contribute ako sa team.
Thank you, Camille. Okay, the floor is open for questions.
Coach, yun nga, medyo, of course, big loss na hindi makakalaro si Faber this season. But going into it, you had a couple of months preparation din naman. Would you say that the team has adjusted na talaga alam na nila kung paano manalo, maglaro ng hindi nila kasama si Faber this season?
To answer that very simply, it will show during the remaining games if we've learned how to win without Favor. But I'm happy that today we were able to get the first win. Talking about Favor lang, everybody has been inspired preparing for this season. She's a big, contributor to our performance. But the nice thing about it is the upside of it is everybody's so motivated and so inspired that I feel that the loss of Favor will be distributed to amongst these guys. And yes, we have been adapting without playing without Favor, but we still have a lot to improve on so that we can really compete better against those very highly performing teams like the Ateneo and UST, even the Salem FD.
Para sa'yo, okay, sa'yo nga sabi ni Coach, madidistribute yung kumbaga na mamimiss yung kay Favor. Siguro for you, as one of the more older players dito sa team, siguro ano na lang yung na-change na mindset mo going into the season na kumbaga talagang step up this time around kasi nga medyo kulang kayo this time around.
Kagaya naman po na sinabi ni Coach, wala kaming choice para pangatawanan na yung nawala sa bago si Faber. So kung ano yung role lang na binibigay, kung ano yung role ko, kailangan ko lang pangatawanan yun all the way. Yun lang, wala akong ibig sabihin.
For you, Camille, syempre second game mo pa lang sa UAAP Seniors. Pero ano na lang yung masasabi mo sa sarili mo at this point? Masasabi mo na bang medyo nakaka-adjust ka na? Alam mo naman matagal mo na rin nakakasama yung teammates mo. Pero ano pa yung kulang na gusto mong makita sa sarili mo as the season goes on?
Siguro, from the way I've played against Ateneo, siguro masasabi ko na I've adjusted. Pero I know na I've got more to show and I'm gonna work on that for our upcoming games.
First of all, congratulations on your win. Napansin po namin na lahat ng nakaplan, even coach ay nakaplan. So, what is the reason or like motivations behind this?
Well, you've noticed naman even last year, the girls were like this. Our coaches lang have decided that if we felt that coming into the season, we needed to put our team in a better position where we'll have an environment that is very inspirational. Last season, our parang side bet was if we get into the finals, coming coaches will have blonde hair. But this season, I feel that it was necessary so that we can rally. Simple things like this, I think it's necessary for us to show united and really get all the small pieces and small things get going so that during the season, nothing is left behind. Talagang rarely to start. Although we did not start how we wanted, no? We started with a loss, but I feel that this is necessary for the team this coming season.
For Camille, so recently you had a stint with the Gilas Pilipinas alongside your teammate Luna Ozar. So how did you apply the experiences that you gained from that to your game in the UAA?
Syempre po, I always play every game. I always give my 100% every game po. And super big thing po to be able to play with Gilas, especially with my others po. So I really learned a lot from them. The simple thing na binibigay ko na yung trust sa akin for me to believe in myself also. It's not bagay na po.
And follow up lang nun, your next game is against NU, where you also have Gilas Pilipinas teammates playing for them. So how will you prepare for that, and what's your mindset going into it?
Syempre po, gaya sa akin na ako siya, lagi lang namin bibigay yung best namin. And we always beat everyone equally, and yun po, lagi lang namin talagang bibigay yung best namin. We respect each and every opponent.
Thank you very much. Congratulations on the win.
Follow up lang kay Krisa. Yun nga, last season nagpakulay na kayo ng buhok, pero this time, even the coaches joined doon sa kumbaga nagiging tradition ng UP Women's Basketball Team. Ano lang yung naging effect sa inyo sa players na parang, uy, even sila coach, nagpakulay rin for kumbaga yung togetherness ng team.
Nung nakita namin si Coach, kung talagang nagpakulay. So, sobrang sarap sa pakiramdam kasi doon pa lang, kahit wala sila sabihin, mensahe na yun nakasuwan talaga yung team namin. I mean, hindi namin kailangan sila pilitin. Sila na mismo yung nag-usap para talagang pinapakita nila yung togetherness namin sa team.
For Coach and Krisa, last year natalo niyo yung NU. Of course, iba na yung NU ngayon and iba na rin yung UP ngayon. Pero siguro, how much of that makakadagdag po ng confidence sa team na kaya naman silang talunan in a sense. Kumbaga may ganung mindset going into the game.
NU, staple na yan sa women's basketball. Whether we like it or not, kahit ano pang motivation sa team na lumalaro against NU, you can say anything you want before the game to motivate that this team is beatable. But I feel NU has been earned that respect. That every time you play against them, you really have to be at your best. And so for me, to answer your question, we don't focus on them. We just focus on our performance. That if we can outperform how we played last season and plus more, because we don't have a 20 rebounds a game girl in the middle. So hopefully we can get out of a win again for this season.
Coach, follow up lang din po. Yung game kanina is medyo maraming nagkaroon ng injury dun sa UE. So as a fellow, syempre athlete and team, any message lang dun sa mga nangyari para sa kanila or any thoughts lang?
Yeah, I actually mentioned Coach is very close in this maliit lang na industry ng women's basketball. And every time we see each other, I always tell her just to continue to fight and continue lang to move her program forward. Unfortunate that any team naman kapag may na-injure, ayaw natin yan. And kami for a fact, bago pa magsimula, naramdaman na natin yan. So I'm hoping for the best for the players that happened a while ago. I think it's incidental, or I actually saw na siya lang mag-isa yung isa. So hopefully she can recover because I feel their team is in a good position to improve how they performed last season. So continue lang, Coach Ali.
Okay, sa NU, yung thoughts mo lang na, yun nga, after nyo natalo sila last year, ngayon naman kakalaban.
Kagaya po nung sinabi ni Coach Paul, hindi namin titignan siya as a team, like sino yung kinakalaban namin, matalo namin or matalo namin or matalo kami. So, kagaya yung sinabi ni Coach, every team na kinakalaban, UST man yan or NU, nagpe-perform lang kami. Hindi namin iisip yung pressure. Hindi kami nag-isip.
Congratulations, Coach, for